Keep yourself updated. Subscribe to Vedanta and click bell icon.
Hi friends, in this video today we are going to discuss about how to join multiple cells into one. So now you may see that there is the United States of America is having around in 4 cells. If you like to join the cells, very simple, equals to concatenate. The formula concatenate is here, join several text strings into one text string. So simply equals to concatenate, select text 1 comma text 2 comma text 3 comma text 4, then close bracket. And now here the address is that United States of America. So this is used to join a cells. Here I'm going to enter as 1 of A and B, not only any value A and B, and here equals to concatenate text 1 comma text 2 string 1 comma string 2, then directly press enter. Now the address is that AB. So this is how it works. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Keep yourself updated. Subscribe to Vedanta and click bell icon.